Thanks for tuning in to 420 Garage. Today on the channel, the delivery of my MGA 1957, destined to be my new, I hope, autocross car. Sorry for the clickbait. There will be no twin turbo LS motor in this car. It's just going to get the best MG motor that I can put together. I've always wanted to build a motor, and I'm going to build a motor for this car. And it's a rusty mess. If I had my way, I'd have my friend Ellen from Rusty Beauties help me on this one. But anyway, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.